Morning family, welcome back to the channel. So today this is what's for lunch, what the girls are having for lunch. I cook the southern fried chicken goujons this morning, so I put 3 of them each, and then I put this Irish bun. This is Chichi's own, so no butter, so I just open it in the middle and cut it in half so it will be easy for her if she want to make a sandwich. She also have the pancake, just one. I cut it in half, and then between the two of them I share the packet of crepes. So that is their lunch. And shift it to this side. You see that for Adora is the same. So for Adora, she's having as well 3 of the southern fried chicken goujons, and she's having the Irish bun. I cut it in half and cut it in the middle, put a little bit of butter because you know she loves butter. So, and then I put 1 pancake. I put the pancake as something sweet, not as a meal, because this is the store-bought one, so they are more sweet than I would prefer the pancakes to be. So if I want to make for the meal, I usually make for myself. I would make it from home, so that way they are less sweet than I use it as a meal. But if they are the ones that I buy from the shop, I would put just 1 as something sweet for them. So I'll cut it in half and I put the 1 here. Then between the two of them I share a packet of crepes. They don't seem to finish them lately, so I'm not giving the full packet. Okay, then we have here I have some fruits. So they have the oranges and apples. Remember, they don't like the orange to be peeled, they like to eat it from the peel. And 2 of them, they're having apples and oranges. So that is the lunch for today. And so I'll see you when they come back from school. Good morning family, welcome back to the channel. So here is what the girls are having for lunch today. I'm gonna start with Adora. She is having these 2 sweet buns with chicken, so it's like chicken sandwich, and then a little bit of the honeydew melon with some apples, and then she's having this cupcake and this immune drink. Moving on to Chichi, she's having this sandwich as well. So it's this sweet bun with chicken inside, and then she's having some apples and this cupcake and this yogurt drink again. So this is their lunch for today. So is anything else I'm gonna be adding here? Just a bottle of water. So that is all they are gonna be having for today. So this was a quick one because I'm running out of time. So hopefully I will get to see you when they come back. Shalom. Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. So here is what the girls are having for lunch today. This week we are doing a less cooking. So I'm having this pizza. I just finished making it in the oven. I also put this chicken. It's a chicken hot dog. Yeah, I put it in the oven as well. You can fry or boil or whatever you want to do with that, but they usually prefer it cold, so I just said let me try to put it in the oven and see if they will like it or not. So this is like no, not a full pizza. I took out a small piece because I'm not too sure if the lunchbox was gonna close. So I did get one pizza for I did get each pizza. Anyway, it's a full pizza. I took out just a small one, but when I say full pizza, I mean the small pizza, you know. So anyway, this is just a cheese pizza, and then that's Adora. She's having some easy peel oranges and apples. They are already done, and she's having the cupcake. Blessing is having the same thing. She's having the pizza with a chicken hot dog. She's having some easy peel oranges with these apples under. See, put some apples, and then she's also having the cupcake. Now, when it comes to the fruits, both of them, they like these fruits. They don't have problem. Chichi like this one, and also Adora do like this one, so it's a win-win for this one. And pizza, they did have pizza last night, but we haven't had this for a long time, so they said they wanted to have it for lunch, so I said okay, why not. So I just made it. Took me about less than 15 minutes. I was done with the lunch boxes. So that is their lunch today. I'm not too sure if I'll show you after. Yeah, so we are done with the tabernacle, so I think I might show you as well the after school lunches, because I was not having the time on doing that. So but anyway, I will see you when they come back from school and show you how much they ate. And as for bottles, we still have not got proper bottles yet. They are still using like different bottles from last year. They have loads of bottles, but they are just not the way I would want them to be. So yeah, I'm gonna give them also yeah, a yogurt drink, but it's a different one this time. They're gonna have, let me show you. So the one they are having this time is not like the yogurt, proper yogurt. This is the Actimel. So that's Actimel. The packaging, they are doing something else here. I don't know what they are doing, but anyway, it's fine. Yeah, so that is in the flavor of tropical, and that's what they're gonna have. I'm not too sure if they will like this anyway, but yeah, so I'm just gonna give them and see how they go. If they come back with it, fine. If they drink it, fine. That's what I have today. I also have a yogurt. I'm still thinking if I should give them a normal yogurt or I should give this, but anyway, let me try this and see if they will drink this one. And yeah, and then so I will also put a bottle of water for each of them, and that will be it for the lunch for today. I will see you when they come back from school. So far I am trying out this new routine where I do everything for the girls, and then when I wake them up, I go back to bed and they get everything done themselves. So I have their lunchbox done already. So what they do, they will close their lunchbox themselves and put it into their lunch bags and put everything they need inside. They will eat their cereal themselves, and they will pack everything. They'll put the water themselves, and I'm just trying to give them more responsibilities so that they can like be able to do things by themselves. For this is I have here for them mixed melon and grapes, and I have this yogurt for them, and this yogurt, and it's the same mixed melon and grapes here. I have this penguin and friends. They've been loving that. And I did put some sliced apple. They've been having sliced apple this week, so I just thought let me give them option for different fruits. So I was short of bread this morning, so I did, but that is the reason why I did chicken sandwich and also 5 chicken nuggets. Chicken sandwich and 5 chicken nuggets. And I have the spoons here. They will pack that when they are packing their things. And that is, oh, also I get their cereal done as well on the table. So Adora is having these choco hoops, and Chichi have these cornflakes. That's what she prefers. And yeah, so I've made my cup of coffee. I'm going back to bed to probably edit this video, and then while they are having their breakfast, and I'm going to see what they are doing now because they're supposed to be brushing their teeth. So I will see you on the other side.